Here we go, everybody. Here's your video for Tuesday, September 29th. So let's go over your assignments. Morning meeting, share how you are feeling in a seesaw video, so please make that video. I'm feeling tired today. I had a JV football game last night and got to bed late. Writing, check the feedback I wrote on your story map. Write a comment back to me, finish it if it's not done. So you'll notice I'm in classwork. That's how you can go and find your story map. It's right there. Math, complete the video and form. 20 minutes of Dreambox. I've included a form right there with the video. Reading, make a Flipgrid video where you use each vocab word in a sentence. I've attached the words if you need them. So the words are right there in case you didn't bring your vocab journal home. And science, complete the science assignment by Wednesday. It was posted yesterday, so just go here. Sorry, social studies. I don't know why I called it science. I meant social studies. I'll even change that under. So, that is what I need you to do. Please contact me if I can help you in any way. Remember that those that complete their work get rewarded on Thursday. Have a great day.